Assalamualaikum class metric. What's going on? I hope you all would be fine. I'm your English teacher Miss Tayyaba Shams, and today we are going to study our first poem, The Voice of God. Firstly, we will read the poem and note down the meanings of difficult words, and then I will translate the poem and also explain it. First of all, we have the introduction of the poet. Yes, we are on page number 1, The Voice of God. And now I am going to read the introduction of the poet. This poem is written by Lewis I. Newman, 1893-1972. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, USA. He studied at Brown University and after his doctorate lectured at Columbia. He is the author of many books on religious subjects. This poem brings out his religious bent of mind. Author means writer. Now I am going to start the poem. I sought to hear the voice of God. Here we have the difficult word sought. Sought is basically the past and past participle form of seek. Seek means to try to find something. And climbed the topmost steeple. Class, note down the pronunciation of word climb here. We pronounce it climbed. B is silent here. Steeple is a difficult word. Steeple means a tall tower, often of a church. But here it means the tall tower on a church. But God declared, go down again. God declared means said, explain him, make him clear, go down again. I dwell among the people. Dwell means? It means I live among the people. Now come to the explanation of the poem. First, the introduction of the poet. This poem is written by Lewis I. Newman, who was born on 1893 and died on 1972. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, USA. The place where he was born is Providence, Rhode Island. That is in USA, United States of America. He studied at Brown University and after his doctorate lectured at Columbia. His alma mater is Brown University, from where he got his education, and after completing his PhD, he started giving lectures in Columbia. He became a lecturer in Columbia. He is the author of many books on religious subjects. He is the writer of many books that basically based on religious subjects. The topic on which he wrote books were mostly religious topics. This poem brings out his religious bent of mind. This poem shows that his interest and devotion towards religion. Now come to the explanation of poem. I sought to hear the voice of God. मैं तलाश कर रहा था और मैं सुनना चाह रहा था खुदा की आवाज़. And climbed the topmost steeple. और मैं चढ़ गया एक बहुत ऊंचे टावर, यानी जो भी रिलीजियस बिल्डिंग, जो भी चर्च के एक बहुत बड़े जो मीनार था उसके ऊपर मैं चढ़ गया. बट गॉड डिक्लेयर्ड, लेकिन गॉड यानी खुदा ने कहा, गो डाउन अगेन, जाओ दोबारा नीचे चले जाओ. आई ड्वेल अमंग द पीपल, मैं लोगों के दरमियान रहता हूँ. व्हाट्स द Lesson of this poem. Which lesson the poet want to convey in this poem? The summary of this poem is that the curiosity of poet to seek the God and hear his voice made him to climb the steeple. But God told the poet to go down again because he can seek the pleasure of God by serving the fellow man or by serving the common people. Because God is everywhere and he is all hearing and all seeing. The central idea of this poem is that the service of man is the service of God. You can either say it the central idea or central theme. Now class, have you got it? If we want to get the pleasure of Allah, we have to serve the common people or the fellow humanity. Okay class, see you in the next chapter.